consolation bracket. Pilots arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. There's go tone. And away we go to the races. Championship Sunday, our next 16 of the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship. The Beard Machine having some issues back at the line. I mean, he was up, he was down, some issues. You want to be first or second. You don't need the win, but first or second is what we're shooting for as we look to the Hawaiian Hammer, your leader, low side of the tower, about to climb up. Remember, it's a climb up tower here at the Collegiate Championships. Running the number 2 spot, it's going to be Goose FPV, Infinite FPV in the number 3 spot. But there's a battle for the 2-3, which is for the transfer position. And now we're trying to catch up as well with, looks like Beard Machine FPV going to stay back at the line. Going to pull him up a 3rd, so he's going to come up in the consolation bracket in race band number 5. And you can see why I picked 2 laps here. These are long battles here to get our champions. Now, the way that we run the points... Here's your leader, Hawaiian Hammer. Lap 1 done. Infinite FPV right with them. 1 and 2 separated by 0.3 of a second. Remember, you want to be first and second. The story is all about 3rd, and that'll be Goose FPV about to get onto that lead lap and final lap. White flag about to fly for him through our start-finish gate. Watch this battle at the top. It's still Hawaiian Hammer just ahead of Infinite FPV. Hawaiian Hammer through the dive gate. Infinite FPV just about through the dive gate. Remember, it's a race to this checkered line right here on the final lap as they get to the Stitch It Up section. Both of them going through it about the exact same time in the middle, sweeping out wide, but it's going to be now a 2-gate lead and now a 1-gate lead by Hawaiian Hammer over Infinite FPV as Goose tries to pick things up a little bit as well here. There's a ding. Hawaiian Hammer with the win of heat number 1 of the next 16 bracket. And Infinite FPV about to finish up in the number 2 spot. Goose FPV finish up in 4th. And that is it. And all heat number 1 is in the books.